Let's talk Sossus Dune Lodge. There's 25 chalets in total, so it's quite a small, intimate place, and they're all dotted along walkways either side of the chalet. So there must be 13 one side and 12 the other. No idea which way around it is. The end two on each thing are honeymoon. Inside, all the chalets are the same. The difference is the honeymoon chalets have a big double bed, and all the other chalets have twin beds that can be pushed together for double or separate for two singles. Inside the chalets themselves, you have, obviously, on one side there's the bedroom, which has got the beds, which has pillows, blankets if for the winter time, and sheets. Then there is a little fridge, there's a kettle, tea and coffee station, there's two comfy recliner chairs that you can sit on that are inside if you want to look through the windows, and there is a fan. Now note, there is no aircon in these lodges at the moment because aircons are very unenvironmentally friendly. They take a lot of power and they are not environmentally friendly, aircon units. So it's not an air-conditioned lodge, so please bear that in mind, that it can get a little warm here. But that's the sort of balance between looking after the environment and coming here to discover and experience such a beautiful place. So that's the bedroom area. Across from the bedroom area is the bathroom area. There's an area for hanging clothes and putting your bags, a toilet, nice big shower, wash basins, mirror, towels, and toiletries. Water is also heated here by solar panels. So beside each chalet has its own solar panel with a water heater on, which means you should always shower later in the day, not early in the day. Because obviously during the day they're taking a lot of power and they keep the water hot during the day and in the evenings, but obviously during the night there's no solar power heating the water, it'll get cooler. So don't jump in the shower in the morning before you go out to sunrise and expect a hot shower. But all your shower in the evening before you go to bed. Oh, it's a beautiful bird there. Beautiful bird just flying right there. And he's down. So yes, and that's the basic chalet. Then you have, each chalet has this private decking area that we're sitting on now. So each of the chalets are nicely spaced apart on the along the walkway, and each has this lovely, it's a huge deck area. It's massive. I mean, for two people, you know, you could actually pull the bed and sleep out on here. Probably shouldn't give people ideas like that. But it's a nice big decking area with chairs provided that look out into the valley that runs down into Sesriem. So this used to be the riverbed in ancient times, and that's why there's this flat surface that runs all the way down into the desert there. Sesriem is 68 kilometers down that way. The road runs over there, the sand dunes are over there, Elim Dune, the mountains are behind, and the sunset is just there. So each chalet has its own private view and a private sunset view, which means also it has its own private star view. So at night, when you come back from your meal, you can sit here and look at the stars, and there should be no light pollution down there because that's into the desert and there's nothing there. So I'll show you, hopefully, some images of any night pictures I get of that so you can enjoy the stars. Hope that helps. Drop a comment below if you've got any information you'd like to share or you've got any questions. DM me on social media. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And in the meantime, enjoy your trip to Namibia.